Hi guys, this is 2003 Holden Rodeo. It's a RA model, 3.5 liter. So you can see. So this car had a problem is a bad steering noise. Okay, this steering noise coming in underneath the dash. It's coming and over is here. So when you start the car, so that's a noise. Okay, the steam shaft here. Here underneath you can see in here the 12mm bolt in here. We have to off that one. Okay guys, here's the part of the steering shaft. This is the whole part. I get this one for the wreckers, so we have to remove the in the car one, and we have to replace this part. You can see in here this part is coming with the little bearing on it in here. So that bearing is getting faulty, that's why it's making noise. So I need to replace for this one. In here the whole complete shaft. Okay, this one has seen here damper shocking action. You can see in here. Okay, you can see in here this one is a master groove. This master groove go into inside of the shaft. This side is no, yeah, he says it's another master groove in there. Okay, you can see the underneath of the steering yoke. We're going to off this 12mm bolt. Okay. Okay. So I can see no any master groove in the steering rack side. So we off the underneath the panel cover. You can easy access to the steering shaft. So this one steering wheel, turn it, keep live in the straight. Okay. Off this 12mm bolt. Okay, then after another 12mm bolt in here too. I'm off this bolt. 1, 2, 3. Another bolt in there. 4. So then after we off the one bolt in here, the 12mm bolt, I put the back in here. It's a 10. I put the okay off the both 10mm. Okay guys, we off the steering wheel like this, you like. You can see the underneath now. Let's get it this way. Okay guys, here's the all parts. We're removing the car, and here's the new part. We're going to install the new one. Okay guys, we installed the 2 bolts, and we have to tighten these ones back in. So then after we have to put back this one in it. Okay guys, the steering wheel is straight. We're going to pull back. Good. And put the ball back in. Okay guys, we everything put back together. Again, turn the ignition, not making noise. Okay, make sure all the bolts getting tight. So when you start the car, no making any noise. So all good. So this is the end of my video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.